passion for fashion and just loved styling and stuff like that.
We literally used to own every single fashion game there was.
Yeah,
fashion apps, styling
apps.
apps.
Remember those little like mannequins and you used to make clothes?
Yeah,
Like we used to love it.
We recently went through our wardrobes and did a little clearance. We went and picked out some stuff and pretty much DIY'd them.
Yeah, it was our first time ever DIYing or attempting to. If you guys want to see us transform boring, bland pieces of clothing into trendier, more stylish clothing, then keep watching. And a reminder, this is not a tutorial because we don't personally know how to do this stuff, but it's more just like a video of us giving it a go, trying it out.
Yeah, and letting our creative juices flow.
Yeah, and either succeeding or not. Enjoy. Let's get straight into the video. I'm going for like a real soft girl, trendy look. I wanted to go for a bit more of like an edgy, kind of trendy, grungy look. But I am going to do a top and I am going to try and do a pair of like denim shorts as well. I'm going to start off by doing a pair of jeans. I've got these old pair of jeans that are pretty like basic. They just have 2 rips and that's about it. I also got this material which I thought was really, really cool. I also got this zipper, which my idea was to stick it on the back of the jeans. And yeah, we also bought a heap of paint and stuff as well. I have these plain tees, one being like a beige color and one being a grey color. I'm going to cut them down the middle and crop them, half one color and half the other color. Then I printed some photos on transfer paper which I'll then iron onto the shirt. So yeah, I think I'm going to do this one, but it's like a little print that I made myself. So trendy. So soft girl, you know. I'm planning on doing these jeans as well, which I'm considering on cutting into shorts, and then do some designs and stuff on that. Still not 100% sure what I want to do. Just gonna kind of go with it and see where it takes us.
Darling, you send me.
I'm gonna get Ashley to help me draw where I want to put my zipper. I'm thinking like, yeah, like maybe just draw a line with a lead pencil. Okay, so I'm nervous. I think I might just start getting cutting. Like, I don't know how, like if there's a way to do this. I should have taken up that fashion university course. I'm very nervous. Wait, what? Do that all the way down and then cut it? No. Why would you do that? Both are cut? Why am I doing this? Someone remind me. So I just went and printed this quote, but I just realized I didn't print it back the front. So when I go to iron it on the fabric, it's gonna be backwards. So now I need to go and do that again. I'm just pinning my shirt together. I feel like such a designer. And this is how it looks once it's all been pinned. But yeah, what do you think? I'm excited.
I know you send me. Darling,
So I kind of forgot to film, but I just cut my jeans and I don't really know if I cut them very well. Alright, so I've just pinned my zipper and yeah, we're going to get ready to start sewing it. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm getting so tired and exhausted.
Hungry.
So I have done a lot of my jeans. This has taken me so much longer than I expected. And yeah, I just need to put my quote on them.
darling, you send me. Darling, you.
So I just sewed like a little word on one of my back pockets of my denim shorts. And I just sewed the word fragile. I don't really know why, to be honest, guys. I just like, it's a real soft girl thing. Like, soft girls are fragile, aren't they? It kind of looks weird though. But I mean, if you look at it from afar and maybe just like turn your head upside down, then it might be alright. Wow, I look like a mess. That's what happens when you're being locked in a room for 5 hours. Alright guys, so it is 4:30 or something and we're going insane. It's getting really dark outside now, so we're probably going to have to continue on tomorrow, but I'm just going to paint some stars on my shorts with this paint, and then I've got this textile medium that I need to mix with it, so it's... Ow! Ow! Oh my god, that hurt my knee so bad. And this is my painting all done. So I did some stars and some little dashes. It's like fully dark outside, but I've kind of just like finished my jeans, I think. Woo! I just sewed that patch on the front. Hey guys, so it is the next day and we are back at it, still going. Yesterday when I last checked in with you guys, this is what I did. I did some painting and I also sewed this on, but then I ended up putting the outfit on together and everything and I just wasn't vibing this. So I think I'm gonna pick it off and just do some more paint. All right, and it's gonna be off in 3, 2, 1. Done. Haha. Olivia is painting a denim jacket now. I'm so bad at drawing, so I don't know how this is gonna turn.
Darling, you send me. Darling, you.
Guys, so I'm about to pretty much just do one of my last touches to my clothes, which is print the photo on my t-shirt. And yeah, I pretty much just have to iron on it. I'm very nervous though because I don't want to stuff it up.
Send me. I know you.
That looks good though. Like, and then you get to this part and it's like fluoro yellow. It looks good though, actually. No, it's like green. Guys, I just pulled it off. I don't know why it came out with like this yellowy green color and it came out crooked. I don't know why it's crooked because I literally lined it up. But like the line goes like not straight.
Darling, you send me.
Okay guys, we're now at the end of the whole journey. So yeah, now we are going to do a little haul for you guys. Yeah, and we'll show you guys us like modeling and stuff. So as you guys saw, I started with these plain pair of jeans. I cut a hole in the back pocket and sewed the material behind it. I also like frayed the jeans a bit to make them look a bit, you know, edgy and grungy. And I also put a zipper underneath the bum. I'm actually very surprised how it turned out. And then at the front, I also did the same thing at the front with the material. And then lastly, this is where things kind of went downhill. So I ended up just grabbing an old pair of denim shorts and sewing it onto the pocket and then putting the pocket onto the jeans. So that's like a usable pocket. Yeah, you just chuck the keys in there. The quote says, "Explanation kills art." I thought it was a really good concept for like my vibe. You know, if anyone asks me, what's this? You don't explain because it ruins the art of it. So, I love it. So the first piece of clothing I did was this cropped tee. It's pretty much turned out exactly how I envisioned it. The only thing was the printing. Not so happy about how it turned out very yellowy. And it kind of printed a little crooked as well, which I was really annoyed about because I thought I lined it up. But yeah, I think from a distance it'll look alright. I think you did pretty good, like to literally sew a top from scratch. Because I wasn't already tied enough from the jeans, I was like, you know what, I want to do a denim jacket. My denim jacket. I saw some on Pinterest, it was like, they had like drawings and stuff on it, so I was like, I'm gonna paint something on it. And I really liked the fingers crossed sign, it's like luck. So I was like, I'm gonna paint You could have put a bit more on the jacket, I think. I also went and tried to match with the bottoms and do the little patches with the material on the side of the arms. But I did one arm and I was like, you know what, this jacket can just have one arm because I haven't got the patience or the time to keep going. Okay, so to my last piece of clothing. Now this is just where things really went downhill for me. This clothing is just like an all-round embarrassment of a turnout. So I went into this not really knowing what I wanted to do with it, and so I think that meant I kind of came out of it not knowing what I did. Well, I envisioned like this vintage kind of trendy pair of jeans. I don't mind the white paint, to be honest. I just wish I didn't go in with the pink. Yeah. Up close, it just kind of looks like a 4-year-old has gone and done it though. Thanks. And then we turn to the back, and this is this gorgeous piece of work. I don't really know what I was doing. I was just like, yeah, I want to write something on it. And I was looking through my Pinterest. Some people had like fragile and cute little quotes like that. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna sew that into my jeans. And you can still see the lead pencil outline. Yeah. Oopsies. Doing this really just made me realize how much I loved creating and expressing myself through clothes. Yeah. So can't wait for the day that we have our clothing line. Hopefully it won't look anything like this. So yeah, now we're gonna go and model it. So we hope you guys enjoyed this little DIY video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and comment below your thoughts, maybe which one you liked the best. Hope it's not too hard to choose. If
But yeah, make sure you subscribe with our post notifications on because, you know, sometimes YouTube doesn't like to notify people. So this video shout out goes to Polly Jean. Thank you so much for your sweet comment. Yeah, we will see you guys in our next video.